Exploring ocean animals and conservation for kids. Hey there, explorers. Welcome back to our channel. The ocean is a vast and mysterious world teeming with life. From the tiniest plankton to the largest whales, the ocean is home to a diverse array of animals and plants that are both fascinating and essential to our planet. In this video, we'll take a journey beneath the waves to explore some of the incredible ocean animals and plants that captivate the minds of kids and adults alike. But before we start, make sure to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell, so you never miss out on our exciting content. The Blue Planet's Playground. The ocean covers about 71% of our planet's surface, making it the largest habitat on Earth. This immense expanse of water is not just a lifeless void, it's a thriving ecosystem where countless creatures have adapted to survive in a watery world. Let's dive in and discover some of these amazing ocean inhabitants. 1. Dolphins. Dolphins are known for their playful nature and remarkable intelligence. These marine mammals are often seen leaping out of the water and riding the bow waves of boats. Dolphins communicate with each other using a complex system of clicks and whistles, and they are known for their tight-knit social groups, called pods. 2. Coral reefs. Coral reefs are often called the rainforests of the sea due to their incredible biodiversity. Coral polyps, tiny animals, build these underwater structures. They provide shelter for an astonishing variety of marine life, including colorful fish, sea turtles, and even sharks. 3. Sea turtles. Sea turtles are ancient creatures that have been around for millions of years. They are known for their long journeys across the ocean and their distinctive shells. These gentle giants are also essential for maintaining the health of seagrass beds and coral reefs. 4. Octopuses. Octopuses are some of the most intelligent and enigmatic creatures in the ocean. They have remarkable problem-solving abilities and can change their color and texture to camouflage themselves from predators. Octopuses are masters of disguise and agility. 5. Sharks. Sharks are apex predators in the ocean, and they come in various shapes and sizes. Some, like the great white shark, are known for their power and agility, while others, like the gentle whale shark, are filter feeders. Despite their fierce reputation, sharks play a crucial role in maintaining the balance of marine ecosystems. 6. Jellyfish. Jellyfish are mesmerizing but often misunderstood creatures. They are not actually fish but are related to corals and sea anemones. Some species have long, flowing tentacles covered in stinging cells, which they use to capture prey. Others are harmless and serve as an essential food source for various marine animals. 7. Seahorses. Seahorses are unique among fish due to their upright posture and prehensile tails. These small, delicate creatures are excellent at camouflage and are known for their monogamous relationships. Male seahorses even carry and give birth to their young. 8. Kelp forests. Kelp forests are underwater ecosystems dominated by tall, brown algae known as kelp. They provide shelter and food for a variety of marine life, including sea otters, sea urchins, and numerous fish species. Kelp forests are like underwater forests that sway with the ocean currents. The importance of ocean conservation. Understanding and appreciating the diverse life in our oceans is not just about admiring their beauty. It's also about recognizing the critical role they play in the health of our planet. Oceans produce oxygen, regulate the climate, and provide a vital source of food and income for millions of people worldwide. Unfortunately, the oceans face many challenges, including overfishing, plastic pollution, habitat destruction, and climate change. As responsible stewards of our planet, it's essential to teach kids about the importance of ocean conservation and the actions they can take to protect these fragile ecosystems. How you can help. 1. Reduce plastic use. Encourage kids to use reusable water bottles and bags to reduce single-use plastic waste that often ends up in the ocean. 2. Support sustainable seafood. Teach children about sustainable fishing practices and choose seafood products with eco-friendly certifications. 3. Participate in beach cleanups. Organize or join beach cleanups to remove litter and debris from coastal areas. 4. Educate and advocate. Raise awareness about ocean conservation issues and support organizations dedicated to protecting our oceans. By learning about the incredible animals and plants that live in the ocean and taking steps to protect their habitats, kids can become ambassadors for the conservation of our beautiful and vital blue planet. Let's ensure that future generations can continue to explore and be inspired by the wonders of the ocean. Thanks for joining us on this underwater adventure, explorers. Don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more exciting journeys like this one. Until next time, keep exploring and protecting our beautiful blue planet.